What's up, guys? My name is Prince and this is Life of the CEO. By my left, I have Muse. You in the building! Guys, sit down. Don't do it. And by my right, I have this is my left, right, left. By my
whichever one.
And by my left, I have Linda Good Luck in the building. Yeah! Okay, guys. So today we're going to be doing something absolutely different. Something different. Today we are going to be listing out 20 funny facts about life that we didn't even know about. You didn't even know about. Do you know about anything? We list them out and you get to know about them. So let's dive in.
Okay.
This is actually diving in. Like diving.
It's diving. That's
Don't,
what.
you don't dive in.
You don't dive. This is Wakanda.
Jeez, man. Okay, guys, so the first one on my list here is the most common name in the world is Mohammed. How true is that?
Wow.
Mohammed.
Yeah.
Mohammed.
I think it's David though.
David, are you sure it's David?
I think it's David.
I think it's Emeka. Because Emeka has suffered all the textbooks in secondary school.
Sorry?
Emeka.
What?
Emeka?
In the world.
Emeka.
In the world.
Okay, the world!
In the world.
Yes.
I think David.
I forgot. I thought it was.
subscriber to this channel. Look at your leader.
Yeah, I'm a leader, man. Yeah, you know, life of the sea.
He didn't go to school.
I went to school, somehow. Then second one on our list is Coca-Cola was originally green. What?
How?
Green?
Yeah.
That sounds so weird. Like
If he was brown, I will understand. It's not turned to red. But from green to red is far.
no, I feel like green. Green is. Who drinks green?
Well, I
Who
don't
drinks
know.
green?
I would actually like to taste
Green Coca-Cola, right?
Green
yes.
Coca-Cola. Like, does it even taste the same? Will it taste the same?
Should.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Okay, the third on my list is women blink nearly twice as much as men.
No! Hell no. No?
She
She just blinked more than 5 times. That's all.
more than 5 times.
Like, what's this? How do you do this?
hell no! No!
Wait. How do you actually do it again?
No.
Bad though.
Okay.
Okay, the fourth is you can't kill yourself by holding your breath.
I've actually tried that.
Okay, who wants to do that
It
now?
didn't work.
Okay, let's hold our breath. One to go.
A few moments later.
I'm bad. Like, I'm so bad. I held my breath longest.
Are you sure?
Yes.
God. Okay.
Okay, the fifth here is it is impossible to lick your elbow. Who wants to try that? Mad though. Well, let's see.
True. Damn.
Wait. No, wait.
I think I got.
Butterflies taste with their feet.
Butterflies. Taste.
Yeah.
How's
Are
that
you
my business?
serious? Are you serious? It tastes with your feet. That's so cool. Like, very cool. Like, imagine if you can taste with your feet. Just, there's food and you're like,
So we've come to the end of this video.
Like, I don't even know.
Because it's impossible. Life is not balanced.
This is actually very, very, very nice. Netherlands is so safe. It imports criminals to fill jails. Can they come Nigeria?
what?
What?
Like, it imports criminals.
They
to fill-
import criminals to fill their jails. Like,
I want
that's
to
how
go
safe
to,
they
I
are.
want to go to Netherlands.
Really?
Please, I want to go to that place.
Hello, Netherlands.
Hello.
You can import me.
No, these ones are criminals. Don't
sorry,
mind them.
I need-
Leave these ones alone.
I need
What
to
are you
go
doing?
Hello.
Hello,
My name
Netherlands.
is Prince and
My name is Mills and
my name is Prince and I would like to be
No.
a citizen.
period. You want to leave this country? Simple and short. That's the point.
Okay.
Wow. I didn't know that though.
A hiker found and returned an ancient wallet. This is crazy, man.
Wow.
Wait.
Who did he
A
return it to?
hiker found and returned an ancient wallet.
Yes.
To who?
To who? The ancient owner.
Ancient grapes.
Like,
Okay.
I don't have words. I don't have words for this one.
Pandas fake pregnancy for better care.
Eh?
It sounds like girls, man. No
Straight
offense.
down.
What?
Really. We fake pregnancy for better care. Really? Who does that?
But
Other
you guys know how to like act.
No, I don't
and
agree with you.
pretend. Ima, help me out here. You know more about this. You know, you've experienced it.
Brother, I want
Really?
to
You've experienced it? When? I want to know.
What the heck, guy?
I want to know how. How?
Why are you listening to this guy like this?
Cut! Okay, the next one. Indians spend 10 hours a week reading more books than any other country in the world.
That's why they are so smart.
This I would agree with.
Yeah,
When
yeah.
last did you read any book?
The next one.
I've been thinking,
The next
what is
one.
school?
What is school?
What's the definition? I've forgotten what school is.
What's the school?
No, I think it should be what is book?
Mado. This one beat everything. Beat everything.
What is book?
Another levels, man.
How about what is what?
What is book?
Seriously?
Can you spell your name? I'm sure you forgot how to spell your name.
Okay, the next one. Research shows that all blue-eyed people may be related.
Okay. Guys, don't even try.
Like, I got blue lenses, you know.
So let's just say this: if you have blue eyes, please don't marry another person
You
with
are
blue
doing
eyes.
incest.
Yeah.
You are doing incest.
Yes.
I can't tell your mother.
No comments.
Okay. It is impossible to hum while you hold your nose. Who wants to try?
That's so true.
Okay, that's true.
Okay, that's we've confirmed that. That's true. Bananas can't reproduce.
You lie.
Bananas can reproduce.
Yeah, I just found out.
How? Then how are there
did I
more
get
bananas?
I don't know. Ask Google or something. I really don't know.
Okay.
Cell phones are full of bacteria.
Cell phones.
Cell phones, like your phone.
Oh, cell phone.
What do you think I was talking about?
Cell phone.
What did you
Because I
hear?
heard
I had
bacteria.
cell phones though.
Oh my god, jeez.
So we should always,
After
like,
you say my
to-
brain is the one shrinking,
to sanitize our cell phones.
we need to
before we-
sanitize his brain first. Before we sanitize
Please, I need
any
it,
phone.
man. I do need it.
Dogs can smell cancer.
Oh, yeah. I've actually seen a
So
movie.
how do we even know when they smell cancer?
There's this movie. I'll actually share. I can't remember the name, but we'll put it here. It's something about dogs.
Okay.
And in the movie, the dog actually smell cancer, and there's a way they do it. Just know they do smell cancer, sure.
Okay, and the last question on our list is: boyfriends do more housework than husbands.
That I do not agree
Why
with.
would you even agree with it?
What about you say they do
you're a
more
boyfriend out there-
more house jobs than husbands?
Yes,
Like how?
it is true.
What do you mean?
What
so
do I
what
mean?
do we now do in the relationship?
You guys,
Nag,
literally-
complain, argue,
That's not true.
complain times 10,
That's like we wash your clothes.
and argue
We
again
clean
after
now.
and she's shouting.
We even
And they
who's
shout in
shouting?
relationships.
They shout
I'm
a
not-
lot
I'm not
in
shouting.
relationships.
I'm not shouting. I'm trying to make
And
a
they
point.
try to control you,
Trying to make
control
a
your life.
and they make you wash.
Peace of mind gone.
Oh Jesus Christ!
Boom, boom.
That's not true. That's not true.
I got you, bro.
Leave our gachi now.
Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. If you're a new subscriber, thanks for being there, okay? Hope you liked it. Don't forget to go to Muse UE's channel. It will be in our description. And subscribe. Also go to Linda Goodluck's channel too and subscribe, okay? I will see you in my next video. For now, adios!
Diving.
SSH.
Guys.